So this is my balance on this platform here. You can see my balance now is around 86,800 naira. All right. So this is the platform I've been using to make money from this particular business I'm doing, and that is what I'm going to show you. So the name of the platform is called soget.com, and is a digital currency exchange platform in Nigeria. And with this platform, they have a very beautiful refer and earn program where anybody that I'm able to refer to the platform is going to make money for me for every transaction they do on the platform. So I'm just going to show you my balance here, and just to show you what this particular business is all about and how you can participate in it and make money for yourself. If I just scroll down a bit, you just see, you can see you can see my balance here. You can see this my balance now. It's 6,800 naira, and you can see that's what you are seeing here. So you can see the fund, the money I've been earning from this platform, referral. You see, from this referral you are seeing here, these are the commissions I've earned from different people that have referred to this platform. And it's so easy to refer somebody to this platform and for them to do transactions. Very easy. So that's what I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial. So anybody that does a transaction with them, and these are the different kind of transactions that they can do. They can buy Bitcoin, paper, Astro Pay, Perfect Money, Deriv. So that's what I'm just going to show you, just for you to know that this is actually real and it's not probably fake. I'm just going to withdraw this money here. So I'll withdraw some of my balance here. So, and one thing I like about the platform is that the withdrawal is very fast, very fast. So now you can see I've clicked on the withdraw here and destination account. So let me just withdraw to my bank account now, and you just see the balance. All right. So let's say let me withdraw 50,000 naira. Okay. All right, so let me so I'll just click on proceed. Okay. All right, so you can see I'm going to receive 49,900 naira. So they will deduct 100 naira from the money I withdraw. So if I once I'm doing, just click on withdraw now. All right, so you can see it says withdraw completed successfully, and you can see this is my wallet balance. So like I told you, let me just go back to my dashboard. All right. So like I told you guys, the withdrawal is very fast, and within 2 to 5 minutes, I usually get my alert at the bank. And you can see now, you can see this is my transaction here. You can see this is the most recent transaction I've done. I can see this is my balance now. So let's just wait within 5 minutes, my I'll get my alert from my bank. I use Kuda Bank, and I'll just get it. Okay, my friends. So I just kept on refreshing my mobile app, and just some few seconds ago, I received a notification from my bank Kuda for the inflow to my account, and I also refreshed my email, and you can see this is my email here. I just refresh it, and you can see when I did the withdrawal. This is the withdrawal 904. So this time it took so get about let's say 7 minutes to process my withdrawal. And this is the alert that just came from my bank. So this is just how I withdraw my money every now and then from this particular platform. I can see, I can also see on the screen that's my alert from my bank. So this is just how I do this particular program or this business. So I just want to show you, and then how can you also do this yourself? It's very simple. It's a very simple refer and end program. And then what you just need to do first of all is that, so all you need to just do now is for you to refer as many people as possible to this platform. So even if you have no experience or no knowledge about maybe trading or crypto, it doesn't matter. So all you just need to do is, if you have your social media, you are in using Naira Land, Facebook, your WhatsApp, Telegram groups that you belong to, you can just simply start promoting your referral link. So this is your referral link. You see this your referral link here. You can see this link above here. If I copy it now, that's just all you need to promote your your business on for this platform, and you make a lot of money from it. What you need to know is that a lot of people are actually buying things online, as in buying digital currencies online, and this is what you can do. So what you need to just do is to refer as many people as possible to purchase digital currencies or sell on this platform. And anybody you refer, any particular transaction they do, you get commission for that transaction for life. It's a lifetime commission. I have some particular referrer that I have been earning commission from their trade for more than 2 years. I joined this platform since I think around December 2021. And since then till now, I've really enjoyed this platform. I've made a lot of money from this platform and I've withdrawn. So if you want to join, let me just take you to, you see this referral program here? Just click on this referral program. All right, now if I come under this, my referrals here, if I click on it, oh, okay, this my referrals, you will just see, this is where you see all the people you have referred, but for privacy I can't display because their email address will be displayed here. And just for you to know, because some of the people you may refer, they may be your students or your friends or family members, so their email are displayed here and you just see all the people you have referred and the date they joined. So that's just for this for this page. And if you come under this my earnings here, this is the most important part here. So this my earnings page here is just for you to see all the commissions that you'll be making for the referrals that you have brought to this, that's the people you brought to this platform and the transaction. So what the platform does is that this soget.com, they will pay you a commission for any transaction that your downline does. And the company, they sell paper, they sell perfect money, insta for it. Look at just look at, that's what I'm trying to show you at the beginning part here. If you come under, if you see buy here, all right, you can see all the various digital currencies that you can buy: AstroPay, Deriv, paper, InstaForex, Just Forex, Bitcoin, USDT, Perfect Money. You can see, and if you also want to sell the same thing also here, you can also sell it there. Okay, so that is, so for every transaction that your downline does, the company will pay you a commission. So all you need to do, and the commission will be instantly credited to your wallet. All right, so you can see these are the commission that I've been making on this platform, and you can see the money, once your downline does a transaction, it will be instantly credited to your wallet, but it will be pending. You see, I have about 3 transaction pending. All right, this morning I just logged into my wallet. I saw that some of my downlines, one did buy InstaForex, another did buy Perfect Money, one did buy paper. So depending on the transaction, any you just make sure that you bring in your referrals to the program. And then you can see, if I just scroll down, you see I have a lot of commission I've made on this platform, and this is just what I've been doing. You can see referral bonus, buy USDT, buy Just Forex, buy AstroPay, like that. And you can see, you can just, if I scroll down, and once the 7 day waiting period, so the 7 day waiting period is just a period where probably the company will do some checks just for security checks. And after that 7 days, this pending will now become success to be automatically credited to my wallet, which I can withdraw instantly to my bank account. And you just see that, and that's what you saw there, what I did at the beginning. So guys, this is just what you need to do. And you don't need to invest any money, you don't need to sell, you don't need to buy any plan on this program. There are some refer and earn platform there that I've done one before. You pay 10,000 naira for a yearly membership fee, which is not good. Referral program itself is taxing. It has a lot of, that's affiliate marketing. You need to do a lot of work. So now, guys, I've showed you. So let me now tell you what you need to do. How the strategy that I use to refer people to this platform. That's just what I want to show you now. So the best way to you can use to refer people to this platform is, if you have your Naira Land. Naira Land is a very popular Nigerian online forum, which I'm just opening here on my browser for you to see. So if you open Naira Land, you can just come under this business and investment section here. These are the two most important section on Nairaland that I use. So I do a lot of posting on this business and investment section. So just posting about buy. So with this, you don't need to be an exchanger yourself. Just buy Bitcoin, buy perfect money. So I just simply drop my referral link. And apart from Nairaland, you can use Facebook, you can use WhatsApp, Facebook groups that you belongs to, Telegram group. For me, I use my YouTube channel. Of course, this YouTube channel, you see, most of the videos I do, I usually had my referral link for the description. That is just what I've been able to bring me this level of success on the platform. All right. So if you have your TikTok, Telegram group, WhatsApp status. You can use your WhatsApp status. A lot of you, my friends, may have you contact on WhatsApp. You can promote this your referral link on your WhatsApp status. So if you come under this promotion here, this is where you see your referral link, and Instagram, you can also promote on Instagram. All right, you can see this is my referral link here. You can see invite your friends and make money from your referrals. So if you just come here, you can just copy your referral link here. You can see this, I've copied my referral link. So this is the link you will give to your downline. That's your people you want them to sign up on this platform using your link. Simply just copy your referral link, and that's what they will use to sign up on the platform. So you can see I've copied my referral link now. So let me say I use under browser here. Let me use this Mozilla here. All right. So if I just open a new tab, okay. So if I just paste my referral link, you can see I've pasted my referral link there and just enter. Okay. So you can see it has loaded the register page on Suget. So once your downline click on, or anybody that clicks on your referral link, it will just take them to the register page on this website. So this is the important, or this is the most important activity you need to do so as to make sure that your downlines are actually yours. So once they've clicked on your referral link, it will take, as you can see, this is the register page to join this platform, suget.com. And you can see here, you can see that my referral link which we copied, SG194, which you see here, you can see XG194. So it's going to be showing on their own register page here. So that's just all they need to do. So they will just simply come here and they will sign up by creating an account on the platform. It's very easy to create an account. And once they've signed up, then they click on sign up. And once they do that, the particular person becomes your referrer. And any transaction they do on the platform, the commission from that transaction is going to be automatically credited to your Suget wallet. And this is how I've been doing on this platform now, going to like 2 years now, guys. And I just want to introduce this to you, and you can use to make money for yourself. Now, another powerful tool I use to also refer people to this platform. There's a program the company just introduced now, and it's very, very, very powerful for me. They call it this their derivative board. There's a derivative board that the company have been, that this Soget platform. There's a derivative bot that you can download free. For me personally, I am a derivative trader, and I trade on derivative. But even if you are not a trader, I use this particular derivative bot to refer people, and it's so successful, especially on Naira Land and my WhatsApp. So once you can just post about this, so you can just simply promote these derivative bots to your downlines or your group members or anywhere you are promoting. Just is a free bot that they can download on the platform. So when they download the bots, so this is what I use and it's very effective. So when they sign up on Suget because of this bot, they download the bots. Now for them to trade on the derivative platform, they will need to fund their derivative account. That they need to buy derivative. So of course they will naturally come back to this platform and they will just come and either buy a deriv, or you can also use perfect money, Bitcoin or USDT Theta to also fund your deriv account. And as long as they have used my referral link to download the bot, so if they are buying perfect money, Bitcoin, or they are funding their deriv account, any transaction they do, this platform will pay me commission for that particular transaction that they do. And this is how I've been making money from this platform, guys. And that is exactly what I'm showing you. So you can see my withdrawal. You can see now the status is saying confirmed. All right. So this is just how I withdraw from this platform, and this is how I've been cashing out. So I hope you've gotten the information, guys, and I hope you've learned about the platform. So if you have any a question about the platform or the referral program, you can drop in the comment section, and I'll be pleased to answer you. So I hope you gotten information and value from the tutorial. Most importantly, please subscribe to our channel, So Get channel here on YouTube. Click on the bell icon beside it, so you'll be the first to know whenever I drop awesome materials and videos and tutorials like this one. So thank you for your time once again, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.